Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3606 coupon code validator. This is a pretty recent problem on Leetcode. So I just wanted to explain you how to solve this problem using Java. So first we'll go through the problem statement, we'll understand the problem with some examples, and then we are going to solve this problem and see how we can use Java solutions. In this example, they are basically testing the how you can use comparators as well as how you can compare strings and validate the strings. So first we'll go through the problem statement. So you are given three arrays of length n that describes the properties of n coupons. So there are three properties for coupon codes, right? So coupon codes we use when we purchase like online products. These are the three properties they gave us. The first one is code, so the coupon code. Then the second one is the business line for that product, and third one is active. So is active will show if it's that product is active or not. The ith coupon code has, so this is what they are explaining. So code I is the string representing a coupon identifier, so coupon code. Then business line I is a string denoting the business category for the coupon. And as I said, is active is the boolean thing, will tell us if that coupon is currently active or not. A coupon is considered valid if all the following conditions hold. So they gave us couple of conditions here where they are telling us if it's a valid coupon code or not valid coupon code, right? So the code, so the first condition says that the code for the coupon should consist only alphanumeric characters and underscores, right? So if it has other special characters like hash code, hash or caret sign or percentage sign, then it's not a valid code. The second is a business line validation. So they gave us four different categories which are valid categories, right? Electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant. And the third is the is active flag. So it will tell us if that product is active or not active, right? So they are asking us to return array of codes of all valid coupons, right? So we have to find out the valid coupons in the list they have given us. And one other important thing here to note is they also want us to sort these coupons first by business line of order. So the order should be electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant. So this one should be the order of sorting, right? For from business line perspective. So that is the first sorting you will do. If let's say there are multiple coupon codes with the same business line, then what they want to do is they want us to sort it based on the code lexicographically ascending order, right? Because it's possible that there are multiple coupons with same business line. So how will we do that? Then we have to use their code in lexicographically ascending order. So let's take a look at some examples they have given us so understand this uh, better. So in the first example, you will see that all the four coupons they gave us are all true. It means that is active is true. It means that they all are active. So we don't have to worry about if they are active or not because they all are active. So you can see here that the save 20 is a valid coupon because it's all alphanumeric characters and no other underscore is acceptable but no other special characters, right? So save 20 is a valid coupon code like coupon here. Then second one is not valid because it's empty, so it cannot be valid, right? And third one is also a valid because it's only alphanumeric characters. This one is not valid because add sign is there, right? So add sign, because of that it's not valid, correct? So there are only two we found here, the pharma 5 and the save 20. So pharma 5 will come first because it's following the alphanumeric character. So first you will see that pharmacy is the product business line here, pharmacy for pharma 5, and save 20, the business line is restaurant. So pharmacy comes first, right, before restaurant. So because that's what they are telling us here. You can see this four different categories here they have given us. So pharmacy is before restaurant, right? So that's why this is the order. So in the second example, you will see that the first coupon code is invalid because it's false, so we don't have to worry about the first one. The second one is valid because it's all alphanumeric characters and underscore. and business line is also valid here, electronics. So this one is valid, right, and it's active also. The third one is not it's not valid because even if the code is valid, you can see that the business line is not valid here, right? Because business line can be only four of these, right? Electronics, grocery, pharmacy, or restaurants. So here you can see it's not valid. So we only found out one valid coupon here, right? Electronics underscore 50. So this is what the problem is. So these are the constants they have given us. So code dot length, business dot length, and is active dot length all are same, right? All are equal. N is between 1 and 100, and code I, business I consist of all printable ASCII characters. Is active is either true or false. So so here mainly we have to use the Java's comparator to compare based on their two different criteria, right? So they want us to first, like when we want to return the result, we want to compare them, right? So first comparison we will have to use business line. If business line of multiple coupons are matching, then we have to use their codes, right? The coupon codes in lexicographical ascending. So we can use a comparator for that. And we will also implement one helper function to identify if it's a valid alphanumeric characters and underscores, right? Then only the coupon code will be valid, this code, right? So we can just write one helper method in Java. So I'll just quickly show you the code here. So we can just go through the code. The code is pretty simple. So you can see that we have been given code, business line, and is active arrays. So all are equal length. And so first we will just create one list of array list of strings, because that's what we are going to return. We'll just as usual call it as a result. This map we are going to create, this map is going to hold string and integer. This one is we are going to use it for the sorting purpose, right? So the sorting order for the business lines are electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant, right? So you can see here on the left side. So this is the sorting order. So for that we are going to use this map, and we will be putting the value as 0, 1, 2, 3, so that the sorting, the comparator sorting, we can use this map, right, based on these values. So we'll just first calculate the length of the arrays here, and we are going to iterate through all the coupons here one by one. We'll get the coupon code, we will get the business line, and we will get if that coupon is active or not. So three things we always get, right? The three properties. So here in the is coupon valid method, we will check if it's following that if it's alphanumeric characters and underscores. So that's what we will first check. If it is valid coupon code, then we will just make sure that its business line is also valid, right? Business line what we are getting here in the BL should also be valid. So we can just use a business order map that we created, right? And we will just check if it's active. So if everything is valid, then we are going to add this into our valid coupons list, right? Two things we will need in this coupons list. First is the code, and second is the business line. Why we need two things? Because we have to sort it, right? And we need these two fields for sorting purpose. That's why we are adding this string array with two fields, right? Code and the business line. So we'll loop through all these codes, coupon codes that they have given us in the input array here, right? Once we are done with that, we are going to use our comparator. So this is a important thing, right? So comparator is important. So for so we already got the valid coupons list here, correct? Here we got the list in our for loop. So now we want to sort it. So we'll use that list, and we are going to use the lambda expression a comma b here, right? So here we will first compare it using the business line. For that we are going to use our business order map that we created, right? Business order map of A1. So it will give us the business order for that A, right? Because A is nothing but array, right? Because we are creating an array here, CD comma BL. It means that code and business line. So we are going to use A1. So A1 will give us the business line here for the first one, and B1 will give us the business line for the second one, right? So first we will compare it. If the comparison is 0, it means that for both of these coupon codes, they are having the same business lines, right? Then only the comparison will return 0. Correct? If 0, it means that we have to now compare based on the code, right? So we have to use code now. So code is in our first, in the array, it's a 0th index, right? CD is the code, so it's a 0th index, so we'll use a0 dot compare to b0, right? So that we can compare their codes, because their business lines are same, so we have to now use the code for comparisons, because there are two fields, right? So this sorting is important to solve this problem using comparator. And then once we are done with our comparison, we'll just add those pairs. And 0th index, because we only want to return the codes, right? The coupon codes, that's what we want to return. You can see here on the left side, only coupon codes we are returning, so that's what we will add it into our result. Pair 0 means the codes. So this is it, and this is our helper method that we created to identify the validity of the coupon code. So this is just a static boolean method. So first we'll check if the code is null or it's empty, then obviously it's false. And otherwise we'll go through each character in the coupon code, and we'll make sure that if it is not a letter or digit, or it is not a underscore character, then we are going to return false, right? Because it's not valid. Otherwise, if we saw all the characters which are either letters or digits or underscore, will return true. So this is it. Basically the code is pretty simple. The important thing they are want to test here is the concept of sorting. So we will just give it a run and make sure our code works correctly here. So the code is accepted, as you can see, the cases are accepted here, so our results are correct. So we can just submit this code, make sure it's accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is accepted here. It's 100% on the runtime, so it's pretty good code. So this is how you can solve these kind of problems. So coupon code validator 3606. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel if you like these videos. We have lots of videos to help others in their coding interviews, using Java interviews, as well as how to build a logic using different techniques. Such as like a lot of problems are there solved and explained, binary trees, binary search trees, graphs, binary search, array strings, and lots of other different problems, DFS, GFS, those all other techniques are also explained here. Different important techniques such as sliding window problems, hard problems of Leetcode are also explained and available for you here. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.